Hello, Tom and Lisa. Good evening, students. Oh, wow. Where is Ken and Nick? Hmm.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Let's ask Nick to enter. Oh, I don't know what happened last time. Lisa, when you out, Tom, Lisa get entered. But it's okay, no problem.
Hello,
Because,
teacher.
hello, Lisa. Okay, I will message Ken and Nick. Okay, I know Ken will enter now. Okay, let's start with our lesson last night. Okay, I will share the screen now, students. How are you today, Tom?
I'm good.
Oh, it's still vacation, right? It's still your vacation.
Yes.
Oh, that's why. Oh, Lisa, hi. Oh,
Okay,
how are
salamat.
you, Lisa?
Okay, salamat.
And
Okay, that's good. Okay, enjoy your vacation, students. Let's learn more. Okay, let's start. What is the title, Lisa?
then for a plus unity for what has just happened.
Yes, what has just happened? Okay, now let's complete the exercise, the sentences using present perfect tense. Okay, please answer, Tom. How long
How long you wait? Have you waiting for me?
okay, have you waited for me? Okay, this one. This is the second time this is the second time I have watched this comedy with my friend. Lisa, number 3.
And that I have
Mm-hmm.
not I have not heard from you for it.
Okay, haven't heard from you for ages. Okay, my boyfriend, Tom,
Mm, My boyfriend is the most gallant
Galan.
man I haven't known. I
Okay,
haven't
I have
known.
known. Next, I have waited for him since 2 p.m. Next, Lisa, number 6.
He hasn't eat this kind of food before.
Mm-hmm. Okay. He hasn't eaten this kind of food before. Tom, she is,
I have meat.
I have
We
met.
have meat.
She is
Met.
the most warm-hearted woman I have met. Number 8. Okay, Lisa.
I have you finished the test yet?
Have you finished the test yet? Tom,
Powder.
okay. I have known him. Okay, please read. Okay, please read, Tom. I have known him for ages. We were neighbors when I was a child. She has taught me English for 3 years. Okay, now let's have answered the questions. Do you and your friends usually have birthday parties? Lisa?
Uh,
Yes. Okay, what do you do at birthday parties, Tom?
Mm, I I sing. I do. I am dancing. I dance. I dancing.
Wow, I dance during birthday parties. What do you like eating at birthday parties? I like eating ice cream. How about Lisa? What is your favorite birthday present?
carrots, carrots is a teddy bear.
Okay, a teddy bear. All right, very good. Now here are the flyers tip. Please read aloud, Tom.
In taking part two. You have to form quite question from short forms. For example, where party, what where. You need to add the other ones and the ones either size of the slides should not be changes or show for where parties. You could ask where's the party and for what's where. And you could ask what must we wear.
Okay, very good. Flyers tip. In speaking part two, you have to form questions from short prompts. For example, where, party, what, where. You need to add the other words, and the words either side of the slash should not be changed. So, for where party, you could ask where's the party? And for what where, you could ask what must we wear? Okay. Now, okay, please read aloud, Lisa.
I plans on tonight party on Saturday, 12 December at the concert cafe. It starts at 10 p.m. Choose between pizza or burgers. Make sure you bring
Mm-hmm.
no
Choose between pizza and burgers. Make sure you bring trainers because,
speaker will let's football later at Emma.
okay. Hi, please come to my party on Saturday, 12 December at the Concert Cafe. It starts at 5 p.m. Choose between pizza or burgers. Make sure you bring trainers because we'll play football later. Okay, Nick, please read aloud. Welcome, Nick.
Hi, this year my
party at my house. 28 Museum Street on 13 November. Add it to your calendar. It starts at 4:30 p.m. Wear your funniest clothes. We have mum chocolate cake. We have a quiz, play board game, and we have a dance competition too, Mark.
Okay, love. Hi, this year my party is at my house, 28 Museum Street. On 15 November, add it to your calendar. It starts at 4:30 p.m. Wear your funniest clothes. We'll have mom's chocolate cake. We'll have a quiz, play board games, and we'll have a dance competition too. Mark. Okay, let's start answering. Now, please answer, Tom.
Place to
Time start at Emma's party.
Arkansas Cafe.
Okay, it starts at 5 p.m. Okay, Lisa, which place?
Then, um,
Okay, it's Saturday. Nick, what we eat? Okay, place is Concert Cafe. Place. Okay, what we eat? What we eat, Nick, in Emma's birthday?
And my birthday
Mm-hmm. What we eat? We eat, choose between.
between pizza and burger.
Okay, that's the answer. And then what we wear, trainers. Okay, Tom, what time starts Mark's birthday?
It's a 4:30.
Okay, 4:30 p.m. Next,
4:30.
Lisa, which place? Okay. Which place, Lisa? At house. Okay, let's check. Now, what we eat, Nick? What we eat?
We eat chocolate cake.
Okay, we eat chocolate cake. What we wear? The funniest clothes. Now look at the tables. Ask and answer the questions about two birthday parties. Okay, now I will ask, let's start with Nick. What's the date of the party?
And
In
12
Emma's birthday,
is 12 December.
okay, that is in Emma's birthday. Okay, how about time start? What time does the party start, Lisa? The party starts at Mark's birthday. What time? It's about 4:30 p.m. Okay. How about Tom? Where is Emma's birthday party?
My birthday party. Uh, it's 28
Okay. In the concert
in the
cafe.
concert cafe.
Okay. What can you eat at the party, Nick, on Mark's birthday? What you can eat in Mark's birthday?
Uh, there is pizza and burger. Pizza or burger.
Okay. On Mark's birthday, mom's chocolate cake. And then, what must we wear? Emma's birthday or Mark's birthday? Funniest clothes. Okay. Now read the conversation and choose the best answer. Okay, this is the example. It's your birthday today, isn't it, Mark? That's right. I'm 12. How did you know? Let's start. Okay, please answer now. Lisa, Tom, Nick. Okay, let's start. Lisa, Tom, Nick, me, Lisa. Okay. Please answer now, students, and let's read after. Okay.
Mm.
And let's see.
Okay, let's try to answer now. All right. Oh, there is, okay. Where is Ken? Ken is sleeping now. Okay, please read aloud, Lisa dear. Number one. Are you?
Are you going to have a party?
The answer is
Yeah, I'm really ex-
excited.
excited.
Okay, Tom. Tom, have you?
Have you invited all the kids in your class? Oh, yeah, only about 10 of them.
Okay. How about Nick? And please read aloud and Nick. Okay, Nick. Sorry, I can't hear you, Nick. Please unmute. Oh, Nick is a message. Hello. Oh, what's this, Nick? You have answer already, Nick? What's that, Nick? Oh my God, Nick. Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. The answer is A. Okay, you don't have voice, Nick? Please read. And what time does it start? At 5, I think. I'm not sure. Has your mom bought a lot of food? Yes, we just got some. Okay, Lisa, number 5. Lisa. Mm-hmm.
Thank you. I will. Next time, please indicate me too.
Okay. The answer is thank you. I will. Next time, please invite me too. Now look at the picture D. In picture D, armchair. Okay, where is the armchair? Where is the bookcase and the chocolate cake? Okay, can you circle, Nick? Where is the armchair? Okay, where is the bookcase, Tom? Okay, Tom, not Nick. Oh my God, Nick. Okay, that is the armchair. This is the armchair, bookcase, and the chocolate cake. I love chocolate cake. Now, listen and draw lines. Okay. Now, this is Helen. Helen is the one giving the cup. Now, we have 1 to 5. Okay, let's start with Nick, Tom, Lisa, me, and Nick. Okay, please listen, students. I will play the audio now. Okay, Nick, you're so funny. Let's have a listening part.
44D. What has just happened? Listen and look. There is one example.
It's going to be fun at this party. Come on.
But I don't know anyone here.
You soon will. There's the woman who sent us the invitation. She works at the airport, like you do.
The one with the glass and bottle in her hands?
That's right.
I've already met her somewhere else. Is her name Helen?
Yes.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
I teach most of these children. There's Mark. It's his birthday.
Do you mean the boy who's playing a game on that new tablet?
Yes. I think his green sweater is new as well.
What's that boy looking for?
Sorry, which boy?
The one on his knees on the floor.
Ah, I see. You mean Fred. He's looking for his glasses. Perhaps he dropped them.
That person's smiling.
Yes, he is.
Not the boy on the sofa, the girl in the armchair.
Oh, yes. Sorry, that's Alice. She's got the quiz questions for everyone.
Great. What time did the party start?
About half an hour ago, I think. We were only 5 minutes late. Oh, and here's Robert.
Where? That boy? The one who's just taken off his coat?
Not him. I don't know his name. I mean the one who's just arrived with the present. He's always late for lessons, too.
Oh dear!
What's the matter?
Look! Someone's just fallen over.
That's Claire. I'll go and help her. I think she's hurt her elbow.
I'll come with you.
OK. And then let's dance.
Okay, what's that, Nick? Okay, we can see. Nick. Okay, do you want to listen again, students? Okay, what's the answer? Number 1, Nick? What's the answer? Number 1? Number 1 is... Okay, sorry, I can't see. What did you do, Nick? Okay, number 1 is Mark. Number 2, Tom.
I listen again.
Okay, let's listen again, students.
44D. What has just happened? Listen and look. There is one example.
It's going to be fun at this party.
Nick,
Come
don't do
on.
that, Nick.
But I don't know anyone here.
Just don't
You soon
answer
will.
your answer.
There's the woman who sent us the invitation. She works at the airport, like you do.
The one with the glass and bottle in her hands?
That's right.
I've already met her somewhere else. Is her name Helen?
Yes.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
I teach most of these children. There's Mark. It's his birthday.
Do you mean the boy who's playing a game on that new tablet?
Yes. I think his green sweater is new as well.
What's that boy looking for?
Sorry, which boy?
The one on his knees on the floor.
Ah, I see. You mean Fred. He's looking for his glasses. Perhaps he dropped them.
That person's smiling.
Yes, he is.
Not the boy on the sofa, the girl in the armchair.
Oh, yes. Sorry, that's Alice. She's got the quiz questions for everyone.
Great. What time did the party start?
About half an hour ago, I think. We were only 5 minutes late. Oh, and here's Robert.
Where? That boy? The one who's just taken off his coat?
Not him. I don't know his name. I mean the one who's just arrived with the present. He's always late for lessons, too.
Oh dear!
What's the matter?
Look! Someone's just fallen over.
That's Claire. I'll go and help her. I think she's hurt her elbow.
I'll come with you.
OK. And then let's dance.
All right, number 2, Tom.
Number 2 is Fred.
Okay, is Fred. Number 3, Lisa. Number 3
Alice
is,
and
okay, is Alice. Number 4 is Robert. Number 5 is, okay, Claire. That is the answer, students. Now, guess the names of the sentences. Blank has just dropped his glass. Okay. Drop his glass. Okay, who is it? Is Claire, right? Claire. How about number 2? Ken, sorry. Nick has just given a boy drink. Who is giving a boy drink?
Helen.
Is
It's Helen.
Helen. Okay. How about Lisa has just fallen over? Oh, I think it's Claire. Who is number 1? I forgot. Fallen over is Claire. Okay, Claire. Now, Tom has just arrived. Who has just arrived? Okay, this is Fred. Fred. Okay, Fred. Number 1 is Fred. Okay, arrived is Robert. Okay, Robert. The answer here, students, in number 1 is Fred. Okay, Fred number 1. Okay, now let's proceed. Now read Mark's diary. Write the missing words. Write one word on each lines. Okay. Okay, I will read. I was 12 years old today. I got some excellent presents. Of 10 of my friends came to my party. Now, Tom, number 2.
Number 2, I have a tree
Tried.
to play it yet.
Mm-hmm. To play it yet.
To
It
play.
looks good. Sally bought me a t-shirt. Lisa,
first meaning of teacher is got an island on the front edge.
okay. Number 4, Nick. Number 4, gave me the most amazing or my most amazing present. Okay, next, Tom.
I'm going to to call
I
it.
call it honey. I think it's playing with a toy penguin at the moment is brilliant. Okay. Wow. Okay, we are done. Okay, students, let's watch a video, or do you want to rest now? It's too early, students. Make it a little 10 minutes, okay?
So,
Takes too long. Oh my God. Okay, let's learn vocabularies, okay? All right.
July.
Jump.